So when we did this Latino Yankee festival, I found people who spoke Spanish in Los Angeles of every religious connection. I found Baha'is, I found Hindus, I found Muslims, Jews, Christians who are Latino. I found all these people. They all introduced themselves from their different religions. And then at the end, I said to people, do you not understand that everybody standing up here today is a Latino, that they were born in a Latin American country? And yet when we talk about Latinos, we always think of the Catholic Church and we think of their being Christian, and we just paint them all with one brush stroke. People from all these different religious communities who have made personal choices of how they want to worship God or how they want to live in the world. And I said, so what are you going to do with your stereotypes now? And so people laughed because they realized that they were unveiled, their prejudices were unveiled.